Hi everyone, welcome to the Smart Home. Today's video is a quick tutorial about how to replace a failed hard drive in Synology NAS. So as you can see on my screen, my Synology NAS health system is giving me a warning that it's in critical state. So I need to go to Storage Manager to have a look what is happening in there. So if I go to Storage Manager, straight away I can see that my hard drive number 4 has crashed. So naturally my storage pool number 2 is in downgraded state. So to fix this one, I need to replace my failed hard drive, which should be at least 3 terabyte of capacity. Okay, from here we'll move to the network cabinet. We will replace the failed drive there, and then we'll come back for the repair process. Okay, so here we are in network cabinet. So we have RS818, the 4-base Synology NAS, which is the rack station basically. So this drive number 4 here is faulty, so I'm going to replace this one with this drive. I believe you can see that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. So as you can see, this is the drive which I took out. So I need to unscrew these 4 screws to take it out of the cover and then put the new one in there, and then I'll just slide it back in the same slot. Okay, currently the alert LED is blinking amber. It is telling me there is something wrong with the system, and I can see my drive number 4 LED is off. That means I've removed the drive. So let me slide my drive back in again. So I'm sliding my drive back in again in the same slot, which is slot number 4. So you can see the LED has come back up again, so that means the system has detected the drive. So we can go back in there and start the repair process. Okay, we are back again after replacing the drive. So we go to the storage pool and then we'll click on the repair button. So repair now. So it's already detected new hard drive from Western Digital, which is 4 terabyte drive. So I can select that drive for the storage pool number 2 to start the repair process. So I'll select it and then click apply. It's giving me a warning that all the data will be erased. That's fine. Okay, so now it has started the repair process, so it will take some time. So once that process completes, I should see my storage pool number 2 will come back as healthy as my storage pool number 1. So now the repair process has been completed. So you can see the storage pool 2 is now in healthy state. So all my 4 drive, they are also normal. So this was a quick tutorial about how to replace a faulty hard drive in Synology NAS. In my case, it was for RS818, which is the rack station, but same tutorial applies to any Synology station. Doesn't matter if it is a disk station or it's a rack station. I hope you like the video. Please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.